to NJ Math World. Today I am here to explain discrete mathematical structure of second semester BCA. So today we are going to discuss about the topics and chapters which are there in discrete mathematical structure. So yeah, we moving on with we have here four units in this chapter. So unit one we have chapter one where we'll be learning about the foundations which we have already learned in first semester BCA. We are going to brief it in this chapter where we'll be learning about the logic and their operations and their applications. Yeah. Then the chapter two Unit 1 will be basic structure where we'll be learning about the set and types of set and their operations, and then we will be learning about the counting principle and Venn diagrams and principle of duality, and we'll be learning about the Cartesian product. Then we'll have in that chapter we have function where we'll be learning about the types of functions and their domain, range and codomain. Then you have sequence and summation. In sequence and summation, we'll be solving many different problems. Then you have matrix. In matrix, we'll be learning about the order of matrix, dimension of matrix, types of matrix, operational matrix. Then we'll be having determinants. In determinants, we have 1 and 2 order of the determinants and their properties. Then we'll be learning in determinants, minor, cofactor and adjoint of matrix. Then you'll be going with inverse of matrix, rank of matrix, system of linear equation, application of matrix, and their methods, Cramer rule and matrix method. Then we'll be moving with the second unit, that is unit 2, chapter 3. It is called counting, where we'll be learning. This is an application of computer science with the mathematics, where we'll be learning about the counting, basic of counting, number, sum and the product rule of the principle. Then you have pigeonhole principle. Then we'll be learning about the permutation and combination and their different types of problems. Then you have binomial coefficient under that chapter. Then moving with the chapter 4, we have advanced counting techniques where we'll be learning all the application of recursion relation, modeling with a Fibonacci series and Tor of Hanoi problems. Then you have types of recurrence relation, solving homogeneous and non-homogeneous functions, and then you have first and second order of homogeneous function problems. Then you have divide and conquer problems where we'll be using to solve the problems for maxima, minima problems, binary search, merge sort, quick sort. Then generating functions, we have extended binomial coefficients, counting problems, generating functions. Using generating functions to solve recurrent relation and their problems. In inclusive and exclusive, we have inclusive principle and of three set. Application of inclusive exclusive will be having sieve of extra tosteness, extra tosteness, and then number of onto functions and rearrangements of those functions. Then unit 3 we have induction and recursion, under which we'll be learning mathematical induction and their problems. Then ordered principle, well ordered principle, recursive for definitions, structural inductions and their method of solving, theorem of induction, recursion algorithm, correctness and problem verification. Then unit that is chapter 6, we have relation and their kinds of relation and properties of relation, closure operations of relation and equivalent relation, where we'll be learning Warshall's algorithm. Then equivalent class and partitioner classes of different types of problems we'll be learning under that. Then operation on a relation we'll be learning in this chapter. Then moving on with the chapter 4, unit 4 and chapter 7, we have graph, where we'll be learning graph and their different types of uh, different types of definitions which comes under graph, and different forms and types of graphs we will be learning in this chapter. Then representation of graph isomorphism, connectivity, Euler and Hamilton path, Euclidean and Hamilton diagraphs, planar graphs and shortest path problems, and traveling salesman problem, single source shortage path by starts algorithm will be learning in this chapter. Then we the last topic will be graph coloring, which will be learning in this chapter. And after doing this textbook, we'll be doing the question paper, model question paper, 5 model question paper, and we'll be solving previous year question papers in coming videos. Okay, student, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel for coming updates about the discrete mathematical structure.